Hey there, it's bootsowen here. This is my Bosch XL washing machine, WFO model. The one that's given me trouble on the rinse and spin cycles where it gets stuck at 1 minute. I want to say a big thanks to Laundry First, Shazzy Khan, Mr. Laundry 101, Washing Freak Videos, Kuba Andrzejewski, Laundry Guy 1500, Super Washer Kid 2002, and Xenon 777. So everybody got together and gave me a bit of inspiration and a bit of advice on what to do. I was told that the Element might be playing up. I did try a 90-degree wash and a 60-degree wash, which worked okay, but somewhere between the Element and the temperature sensor there's a bit of an issue. So I've ordered a new one and I'm going to put that in once it arrives, so it should be here by the end of the week. At the moment I've got this on a 40-degree wash, the one that was giving me trouble, so I'm going to watch it now. Now it's down to 25 minutes, so I'll know pretty quickly if it's not washing properly. With my hand on the glass, there is a little bit of heat in there, so it does feel a little bit hotter than a cold wash. I've just got regular laundry in there at the moment, and over on this side I've got another nappy wash on in the old Bosch WFO 1800. This machine's trundled on for me for 5 years without a fault. I say that, it has had new carbon brushes, but equally, so is this one. So the carbon brushes seem to go in these machines, but I haven't had this Element fault yet. I did have an old Element from another Bosch washing machine that I thought I could stick into it with a temperature sensor, but one of the good people at YouTube suggested that it would be worth replacing with a new Element and a new temperature sensor because the inside of the Element can get corroded. Hadn't heard of that before, but I'm willing to fork out the 15 quid on it. I will make a video of doing that, but as you can see, it's surrounded by stuff, so all of this stuff up here has to get moved. There's the other Element. So all of this stuff up here has to get moved, and then I can get that washing machine out. Here's an Element like the one that's in it. This is a 2000 watt. It's out of another similar model to this WFO model. If we have a look there, it says down in the bottom under the temperature sensor, it's a 2000 watt, 230 volt Element. Not much more to it then. Pretty much all of these are the same. It's got the rubber seal there, and there's the temperature sensor inside. So the temperature sensor that I've purchased was 6 quid, and the Element was about 7 or 8 quid. So all in all, we're getting up to about 14 or 15 quid. You can see that this Element has a bit of lime scale on it, so it is better to replace it with a new Element, which will get better efficiency, better action for heating. So there, yeah. Thanks very much to everyone who's helped out. Stay tuned. Keep an eye on the channel. Subscribe if you want to get these videos. Also, as I keep telling people, subscribe to the playlists because I tend to release 1 video a day, but I've got about, at the moment, 25 videos in the queue, and not all videos come out in the right order, if that makes sense. So I don't put out all the videos in the order that they came up. So if you like a particular playlist, click on the playlist, subscribe to it, click on the bell so you get notifications about that playlist, and then you'll get the updates for the videos you like, if you don't like all my videos. But who wouldn't? So I'm back down in the cellar, we're down at 6 minutes, and the laundry's still doing the same thing. It's got the wash light on, so it hasn't moved over to the rinse cycle yet, and really it should be getting near the spin cycle at this stage. It's just agitating away. It hasn't drained off. It's got a completely wet load of laundry. What I'm going to do is I'm going to abort that cycle, and I'm going to put it on to a rinse and spin, or a rinse and freshen up cycle, and that will drain it down, rinse it off, and then my laundry will be ready pretty quickly. Should be 20 minutes, so let's start that. It should kick through. There's the pump going on, and then water should come in any moment now. There will be a good bit of water in it, of course, to drain down. It's draining away. Over on the other side here, the nappies are on. They're on with the pre-wash, high water level, 60-degree wash, as usual. These aren't soiled nappies, these are just damp nappies. Oh, and over on this side, we've got water coming in, so that's the rinse cycle ongoing, and that should be okay. There's no reason to think it won't be. So I'll get the Element sorted out, I'll make a video of that, And thanks to everyone who I mentioned already, and everyone else who's watched the video. Thanks for all your help. Thanks for watching. See you later.